Today I am going to show how to make a more 3D model from a picture. I will make it on Blender. So now I choose a Blender. Actually I got this picture to make a 3D model. So I will show how to make this 3D model using this Blender. Okay, let's start. If you want to edit any part, you have to select this part. So I will go to this, choose this object mode. Actually I made this 3D model within this three part. First part and second part and another part is this here. So now I will edit something on this. So if you want to change for any part, just you have to select this. Just I select on this part and go to this object mode and choose this sclapting mode. There are many brushes on this point. If you want to any change on this model, you have to select these tools. So I will change something on this. So I choose this elastic deform. Just I change something on this. So just choose this edit object mode. I will add this on this top of the eye. So first I will go to this. I go to this add and choose this mesh and select this plane mesh. I choose this plane and I have to resize for this plane. So I select this rotate view and just rotate it on horizontal point. Yes. Go to this item, this option, and you can go to this item, just drag here and you can choose this degree, choose this 00 and okay. Y axis, choose this 90 and Z axis, choose 90. Yes. Now it is 90 degree. Okay. Just click this and drag now this. Just drag this. Sorry for that. Okay. I will resize on this plane. So I choose this scale and just drag little bit. Yeah. And drag on this Z axis and again drag Y axis. Okay. Again Y axis and again X axis or little bit this and this little. Okay. Again choose this move and select this. I move it. Yeah. And here. Okay. Just little bit off, little bit more set, little bit off. Okay, and I should change this little bit on this point. Okay, half. Again scale this, just scale it. Okay, and just I think it will be better, so I have to work on this. Select this and go to this edit mode and press Ctrl and R and divide it on this. Just I divide this. Okay, and click. Again press Ctrl and R and divide it with 3 parts and click. Okay, it is divided in this mode point. So now I select all this plane and right click and go to this. Yeah, sorry for that. Now I'll delete this. Select this object mode and right click and delete this. Now I choose this mesh and cube mesh. Okay, and scale it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I choose this and choose this move and click and move it and move little bit down. Actually we should take any best position. Just choose this scale. I scale it this little down and choose this move and just move it little bit more and press 1 on the keyboard and again scaling on it. Yeah, I think it will be better, so we don't need to change. Okay, and select, press 1 key and again select this and choose this move and choose this little down. Okay, and choose this edit mode and press Ctrl and R and divided this plane. Click this, click and right click. Okay, again choose this Ctrl and R, press Ctrl R and divided this and click. Okay, so I'll sclap on this and go to this edit mode and choose a sclap. Okay, and so that I should, it has to something change on this. So again select this edit mode and choose this mode and just little bit down and go to this option. Sorry for that. Go to this object mode and choose this mode and select this and move this little bit Yeah, I think it will be enough for this position. Press 1 and go to this sculpt mode and select this graph brush, elastic deform, and choose this brush size. Okay, now I'll adjust on this. Okay, off. Now I can hide this and I can adjust this. And again I can hide this image. Yeah, okay, I choose this object mode and select this all object and just press 1 and just move it. I move it to edit exactly. So just again select this object and go to this and choose sculpt mode and I sculpt on this. Okay, yeah, okay, wow, okay. Just stop this, try to adjust better with your image. Okay, actually it will take so many times, so you have to do be carefully for high quality 3D model. I just showing this the position how to take this. Okay, yeah, Okay, you can choose this smooth and choose this brush. I choose this 22. Yeah, I brush on it. Okay, now again I choose this object mode and go to this settings and choose add modifier and click this generate and go to this generate and choose this subdivision surface and choose this. Yeah, okay, go to this and click apply. I will make another video for this 3D model. Actually, if I want to adjust on this, it will take more time. So today I will not long for this video. Thank you for watching.